Hello everyone, welcome back once again. Alright, let's talk about something every pet owner has faced at least once. Torn cushions, chewed shoes, scratched furniture. Sounds familiar? Don't worry, you are not alone, and more importantly, this is fixable. I have touched this topic previously, but let's go in more detail. Let me ask you, is your pet being destructive all the time or at specific moments? When you are not home, when they are bored, during playtime, that pattern is your biggest clue. Understand the real cause. Your pet is not trying to ruin your house. Destructive behavior usually comes from boredom, excess energy, teething, anxiety, or lack of proper outlets. I've told you earlier as well, but just repeating it just in case you missed it. So instead of reacting, ask why is my pet doing this? Step 2. Provide the right alternatives. This is the golden rule. Don't just stop the behavior, replace it. For example, dog chewing shoes, give chewing toys. Cat scratching sofa, provide scratching post. Make the right option more attractive. I'll go through this quickly because most of the things I've already told you, so let's move forward. Step 3 is rewarding the correct choice. When your pet uses their toys, scratches the right place, reward immediately. Now they learn that this is what I should do. Next is managing the environment. If you leave tempting items around, your pet will use them. So keep shoes out of reach, protect furniture initially, limit access when unsupervised, set your pet up for success. Step 5. Increase physical and mental activity. A tired pet is a well behaved pet. Seems funny, but that's true. Add daily walks for dogs, play sessions, and puzzle toys. This reduces unwanted energy. Step 6 is interrupt and redirect. If you catch the behavior, interrupt calmly, no shouting, then immediately redirect to a toy or correct object. Timing matters here. Special tip for cats. Scratching is natural, you can't stop it, you can guide it. So place scratching post near furniture in areas they already use. Make it convenient. Next is few mistakes which you have to avoid. Punishing after the damage is done, not providing alternatives, and leaving pets bored for long periods. These three are the most common mistakes which pet owners do. Please slow down training. Quick action for you as usual. Right after this video, look around your home, ask yourself, what is my pet most likely to destroy? Do they have a better alternative? Then fix just one thing today. Small changes means big results in long term. So here's something powerful. Destructive behavior is not disobedience. It's misdirected energy. Once you guide that energy, the problem disappears. That's it for today's lecture. In the next lecture, we'll talk about something deeper, fear and phobia management. This is where you truly understand your pet's emotions. So stay patient, guide the energy, and I'll see you in the next lecture.